How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to make a fake hickey in only 2 minutes. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, it helps my channel grow. So to get a fake hickey in 2 minutes, it's actually really simple to do. So a hickey is literally just a bruise. That's all it is. It's a fancy word for a bruise. Now, to make a fake hickey, it's extremely simple to do. Get your fingers, your pointer, your thumb, wherever you want the hickey to be. This works anywhere on the body. I'll show you on the neck. Wherever you want the hickey to be, get some skin, a little pinch, and then just twist it. Make sure you're grabbing in the exact same spot every time, but again, pinch, twist, pinch, twist. And you're just gonna be twisting it like this the whole entire time. So pinch, twist, pinch, twist. So again, just like this, keep going. Now, if you look at my neck, you can clearly see how red it is. That's from only doing it for like 5 to 10 seconds. Now, in order to give a fake hickey, which again is to bruise the skin, you need to do this for about 5 minutes straight. After 5 minutes, you should start to see some purple, and that is the bruise. So do it for about 5 minutes. If after 5 minutes you still can't see a bruise, do it for another 3 minutes. This works 100% because again, all the twisting and the pinching, it's just creating a bruise. It takes so long to do because your skin is extremely strong. It's durable. It literally is protecting everything in the neck. So it has to be strong. Your skin is like, it's durable, it's resistant, it's strong. It takes a very long time to bruise it, but that's how you do it. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.